Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the medium shredder in Astroneer. This handy module is your go-to for transforming clutter into currency. You'll learn its crafting requirements, how to operate it efficiently, and what items it can process. Understanding this tool is key to managing your inventory and acquiring new materials through trade. Let's dive into the details of this essential piece of equipment. To begin, you'll need to unlock the medium shredder schematic in your research catalog. This costs 1,250 bytes. Once unlocked, head to your small printer. You'll need 2 pieces of iron to craft it. Remember, iron is refined from hematite, a resource commonly found on planets like Glacio. With these materials, you're ready to print your very own medium shredder. Using the medium shredder is straightforward. First, place it on any available Tier 2 slot on a platform that's connected to your power grid. It requires about 1.5 units of power per second when actively shredding. Simply drag and drop any Tier 1 items or small debris onto its input area. The shredder will then process them into scrap. Just a friendly warning, never put dynamite into the shredder, as it will explode. The medium shredder is quite efficient, producing 1 scrap approximately every 20 seconds. For quick scrap, consider shredding crafted items. For example, a medium storage unit made from 2 resin yields 1 scrap. Small batteries are also a good source, providing 2 scrap each. For ultimate convenience, attach your shredder to a rover. This allows you to collect and process debris directly as you explore, maximizing your scrap income on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.